Hey guys, this is Zay the Truth, and I'm here to show you my 2019 Can-Am Ryker. Today we're going to be installing a brake lock so people won't be able to put your vehicle in neutral and just push it backwards. Right now I've already taken off the air intake, put a towel over to cover it, so don't want to get anything into the air intake, but I want to show you everything that we're going to go over today as we install this brake lock. The place I've gotten the brake lock for is Sling Mods. It's the cheapest place out there. Don't try to get it from any of your dealers. It is cheaper to get it directly from the source. So dealers charge around 40 to 50 bucks. If you get it from Sling Mods directly, you're looking at about $25. So let's go ahead and get started. So right now I've already covered the air intake. This is the original brake lock. I've went ahead and removed the torque screw right here. And all I'm going to do is drill a hole, take this brake lock right here, and put it right in the back of it. And it has 2 screw connections. Then I'm just going to put that and place that right in there, and then we can go ahead and get started. Right now I'm using an 11/16 drill bit, and that's pretty much all you need. I know some of the videos guys are using different tools to go ahead and drill into it, but you don't need to buy anything extra. Just 11/16 will get you there. All right, from there we pretty much just take the lock, put it in from the back side, clean this area here. Yeah. I'll be a perfect fit with a little wiggle. All right, maybe it's not as perfect as I thought. I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit more, guys. Once you get it in the hole, which, let's see, I'm struggling. There's 2 screws on the right hand side that just drills right in and gives it a nice little lock and tugnet. This is what's going to be going into the brake lock, so you can go ahead and securely get it where nobody will be able to steal your bike. Now just take these 2 side screws and we're good to go. So right here, as you get the lock right in the centerpiece, 2 screws go right here on the side, and you just lock them in. Make sure you have everything lined up. As you can see, for me, it's not lined up. You know, Can-Am should have installed some type of security system on this bike, but it's fairly simple, guys. Next week, I'll go ahead and upload the installation kit on how I install the LED lights. And also, I'll go ahead and show you guys the new garage door opener that I've also purchased from Sling Mods. All right. So I'm just going to get a wrench, torque this up, and we should be good to go. All right, so I have a 5/16. I'm just going to go ahead and torque this up, lock it in where it won't be able to go anywhere. And it should be good to go. Look like an OEM, baby. Put the torque screw back in here. And that's pretty much it. This should only take you literally 10 minutes. I wasn't even planning to do this today, but the family and I was going out, so I was like, well, let me go ahead and take the bike out, show the LED lights off on a pretty day on Saturday. All right, guys, so it's locked in there. Beautiful, beautiful. And that's pretty much it. Now it's time to ride out. Once again, this is Zay the Truth, where what I say is never a lie. Subscribe down below. Talk to you guys soon.